Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 4.1, question number 2. In the previous video, we have seen the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problem, that is the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. Dear students, watch full length video. It will very helpful for you. If you are watching first time of my video, please subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members. If you need of previous concepts, just click this I button, as well as you can go with playlist also. Question number 2 in I. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve graphically. That equation is 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal 0, 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal 0. So this one we need to find consistent or inconsistent, and we need to show in the graphical representation also. So solution, given equations so it is 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal 0 and 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal 0. Both equations are given in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0 type it is given. So write down here, it is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. This model it is. So here you can find out what is a1, b1, c1. So here a1 equal, in the first equation, a1x b1y means a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to minus 2, c1 equal also minus 2. Next, second equation in a2 equal 4, b2 equal to minus 4, c2 equal to minus 5. Now ratios, comparison of the ratios we need to take. So a1 by a2 we can find out. So a1 by a2 means 2 by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are, means 1 by 2 we are getting. So a1 by a2 value we got it here 1 by 2. Next b1 by b2 we can take. So b1 by b2 means the b1 value is minus 2 by b2 value is minus 4. Minus minus get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 2s are, that equal 1 by 2. a1 by a2 equal 1 by 2. b1 by b2 also we got it 1 by 2 only. Both are we are getting equal. Then you can find out c1 by c2 also. So what is c1? Minus 2 by minus 5. Minus minus get cancelled. So we got here 2 by 5. So now you can write it here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Here a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are both are equal, but it is not equal to c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 not equal c1 by c2 means it is what type of lines? That is inconsistent lines. So inconsistent, and it is the parallel lines. We have the no solutions. Write down here. Therefore, the lines are inconsistent. The lines are inconsistent. The given pair of equations, given linear equations, the given linear equations represents parallel lines. Parallel lines and have, so parallel lines have do not have the solutions and have no solutions. no solution. Now it is, we need to show this one in the graphical representation also. So you can see the graphical representation. So first equation you can take. For the equation 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0, it is given. So same as this only you can take. Next here we need to take x values and y values. Pairs we need to take. So x value first I am taking, assumpting 0 I am taking. So given equation you can take 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal 0. X value you can put 0 first. So x value we are taking 0 means 2 into 0 minus 2y minus 2 equal 0. So in this 2 into 0 0 minus 2y, this minus 2 you can transpose to right. So this one we are transposing to right means minus 2 becomes plus 2. 0 minus 2y, that is minus 2y equal to 2. This minus 2y you can transpose here into it is. So y equal 2 by minus 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are, that equal minus 1. So 0 and y value we got it minus 1. That pair 0 comma minus 1. Now we need to take y value, you can take the 0. So y value we are taking the 0 means 2 into x minus 2 into y value here putting 0 minus 2 equal 0. So 2x, 2 into 0, that is 0 minus 2 equal 0. So 2x, here minus 2 we are transposing. 2x minus 0, here 2x only we are getting. Minus 2, this one we are transposing means plus 2 we are getting. This 2 also we can transpose. So 2 we are transposing means divide we are getting. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So x value we are getting 1. Means here 1 comma 0 we can get. Next one more equation, that is for the equation 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal 0. 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So now you can write the values, x value and y value. Pairs we need to take. So x value first you can take 0. So if we can take x value is 0, what we can get the y value, you have to check it. So first given equation 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So this minus 5 first only you have to transpose to right. 4x minus 4y equal 5 we are getting. Now x value we are taking as 0. So x equal to 0. So we are taking x equal to 0 means 4 into 0 minus 4y equal to 5 we are getting. 4 into 0, that value is 0 minus 4y equal 5. So 0 minus 4y. What is the value of 0 minus 4y? As it is minus 4y equal to 5. So this minus 4y we are transposing to right means by we are getting 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 means 1 remained, point means it will become 10, 4 twos are means y equal minus 1.2 we are getting. So minus 1.2. So 0 comma minus 1.2. Next here y value you can take 0. So y value we are putting 0 means what we have to get. So 4x minus 4 into 0 equal 5. So 4x as it is, 4 into 0, 4 into 0 value is 0 equal 5. So 4x minus 0, that is 4x only equal 5. X equal 5 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 1 remained, point means it will be 10, 4 twos are, that equals 1.2 we are getting. So 1.2 comma 0. So here we got the pairs, we got it. Both equations pairs we got it. Now we can represent, we can plot the points on the graph sheet we are getting the answers. So this is the x-axis and it is y-axis. Here both intersecting point is 0. Now 0 right side values are positive values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Here above the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left side of the 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Below the 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now you can take here first equation's pair is 0 comma minus 1. So here 0 and here minus 1. Y value is minus 1. 0 comma minus 1 we are getting. At the y-axis we can get. Next one it is 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 we can get on x-axis. So this equation is 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. Next one it is 0 comma minus 1.2. So 0 and minus 1.2 means here nearer only we are getting, that is 0 comma minus 1.2. And second one is 1.2 comma 0. 1.2 comma 0 means here only we can get. So here we can get parallel lines only we are getting. Like this we are getting, that is 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So just once you have to observe the lines, this both are parallel lines. So both are parallel lines and here we do not have the zeros. In the next upcoming video, we will focus on same type of problem, that is the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. Dear students and viewers who need this video, please share. It will helpful for others also. Suggest them to subscribe the channel. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.